Welcome back. Now it's time to start a discussion about Entrybox. An Entrybox is a widget that can accept input. Let's add our import. So I'm going to type from Tkinter import everything. Here I'm going to type window equals to tk. Then down here I'll type window dot main loop. Let's also type here window dot geometry. Let's make it 500 by 500. Now let's create our entry. Entry equals to entry parenthesis window. So where it's gonna be shown is gonna be showing our window. And I'm gonna type here entry dot pack parenthesis. Now if I run this, we have our entry box here and we have our little window. Let's close this. Next, let's make this entry bigger. So I'm gonna type here font equals to parenthesis Arial, and for the size let's say 15. Now if I run this, now we have this here and can type something. Let's close this. Now I'll go down here and I'll type submit button equals to button. It's gonna be showing our window. Text is gonna be equal to submit, and command is gonna be equal to submit. I'm gonna create that function. So I'm gonna go up here and I'll type def submit, and it's gonna say, I'm gonna type here input equals to entry dot get, and that is gonna return the input. And I will say print hello plus input, or let's change it to, I'm gonna let it like that. Now if I run this, so let's run it, and I'm gonna type Alex. We need to show the button, so I forgot to pack that, so let me go here, submit button dot pack. Now if I run this, we have the submit button, and I'm gonna type here Alex. I'm gonna place submit, and we have in the output hello Alex, so everything works fine. Let's create another button. Let's copy this, let's paste it here 2 times. Let's call it delete button, delete button dot pack. It's gonna have the text delete. The command is gonna be delete. I'll go up here, I will type def delete, and it's gonna say entry dot delete everything starting from 0 to end. Let's push this down. So we have our delete. Next I'm gonna call this backspace, and it's gonna have a function backspace. So backspace, alright, let's create this function. So I'm gonna go up here, I will type def delete parenthesis, and I will type here entry dot delete, and here I'm gonna type length, and I will type here entry dot get -1 and end, and that is going to take care of deleting the, let's put here -1. Let's push this down. This should be backspace, sorry. So backspace. Alright, we have our, let's call it backspace. Let's type backspace button dot pack. And now if everything is fine, we should have our 3 buttons and they should work. Let's close this. Let's run it again. Now we have our submit button. I'm gonna type Alex. Have hello Alex, delete, it's gonna delete everything. Alex, let's put backspace and it's gonna delete only the last letter. Backspace. Alright, this is our discussion about Entrybox, and I will see you in the next video.